Secure and protect your critical infrastructure by using an independent timescale backup for GNSS. The precise timescale system is not dependent on GNSS and is traceable to Universal Coordinated Time. This gives you complete control over an accurate time source, which is vital for national infrastructure. The autonomous timescale is generated by the Sync System 4380A Timescale Edition. The system connects to multiple atomic clocks, such as Microchip's 5071A cesium frequency standard, as well as the MHM 2020 active hydrogen maser, which provide independent frequencies that are combined into a timescale that can be distributed in a wide variety of signal formats. For management, monitoring, alarming and reporting, the Timescale Orchestrator software ensures the overall system operation in meeting the tight timing margins required for a national timescale. As a turnkey solution, the precise timescale system is in a single rack and is guaranteed by a complete factory acceptance test. For more information and to keep up to date with our product launches, contact your Microchip representative. And why not subscribe to our social channels? Be sure to hit the notification bell so we can let you know when new content is available.